A very good evening to all of you guys. So it's evening and it's 10 minutes to 5 o'clock, and I'm here for my practice. But hearing this sound, you may also hearing this sound. Someone is singing on mic, and I don't know why they are doing this. If they have to do their spiritual things or puja, then they should do by their self. Listen, and why they trouble others. I'm also Hindu and I believe a God, and I also do puja, but for my puja I won't disturb anyone. I don't disturb anyone, and I don't think I won't disturb anyone. So whenever I come, either they are singing some, I don't know what they are doing. It's a spiritual things. In spirituality, if you believe in God, either form of any a statue, or you are from Muslim, belongs to Muslim, uh, then just your belief, your whatever your belief. It's started raining, so I should have. Okay, it stopped. Okay, please, no, it's not going to stop here. So I have to see what is my position. Let me. Yes, now I am able to. So suddenly, it's out of nowhere. It started raining, and I have to record this raining. It it started raining heavily, but it looks beautiful. And if I don't have go to the gym, definitely I take a bath here. But I sometimes, yeah, the wind is blowing heavily, and now it's quite good. It may be I just start cursing in, then I feel trouble with my record. I'm thinking about it. So it started raining heavily. I may have to wind up this video, and it is still 3 minutes. And 7 minutes I have to survive here so that I complete my 10 minutes. And I forget everything about what I was going to say. And you can see the raining here. It's raining heavily. You might notice. Sometimes I like this raining whenever I at home, because I don't have to getting late. Then I like this raining. Otherwise, I don't like getting late. But today I'm going to wait definitely, because I have no option. It has been only 4 minutes. And see, I forget everything. What should I talk about? And this is my practice time. And it is a really a test when you are a fresher, when you don't have anything, and then you have to say something that it means, and if you are intact with your consistency, and whatever you are going to say, that means you are genuinely a super consistent, right? So I am becoming consistent to super consistent, and it is very necessary for my learning this language. And I believe this year I am going to crack it down. This year I will be a fluent speaker, and if the nature hear my these things, then definitely the nature would help me to be fluent, uh, on this language. So learning English language, not a piece of the cake. You can understand English, you can read English, but when it comes to speaking, it makes lots of promises. It requires lots of promises, and that promise that you will give your 100%. You will you will have to give your 100% on for learning this language. Without your 100%, you cannot imagine that you can learn a language, and especially English, because I live where this language is not spoken, and I practice all alone, and I am not supposed to speak in front of public because they don't like my speaking English, because they are not supposed to hear English, because they are totally completely like Hindi, understand Hindi. So I'm not supposed to speak in front of people who only speak and understand Hindi. So this is also a challenge. You are living there where English is not used very frequently, either of speaking or understanding. Then how how will you learn? And if you learn this language wherever you live, either a village, and wherever this is spoken, English is not spoken frequently, and then you are learning, that means you have something. And when you learn this language, you are not learn a language, you build a personality. You build a personality that is unbreakable. You could apply this attitude in anywhere, and I think learning the language, especially English, is a very tough task. And if you complete your tough task, then uh, whatever comes your way, that or everything become easier for you. So give yourself the 100% on learning this thing. Engrossed yourself to learn this language, and after over period of time, so when you put pressure and put yourself this onto this language, then you will learn. And when you learn this language, then you are not a common man. You have something special in you, within you, and you will realize whatever I am saying right now. You will realize later on when you will learn this language, because you just build your personality. uh, it doesn't mean that English is everything. English is just language, but how we learn language, what is our condition to learn this language, this it matters a lot. And when you learn this language, then something is different, something will be changed, and you can only feel that. And not only you, uh, but also your surroundings who lives with you, they also can realize that that something has changed within you, and that is special. So now I am able to wind up this video because I forget whatever I had in my mind because of its sudden rain, and it stop. It has a stopped raining here. So yes, it stops here. So now I can record here, so you can see that. So okay, by the way, somehow I completed. I just couldn't run away. I didn't run away from here. I sticked here, kept on recording. So this is my real power of consistency, right? So now I'm going to wrap this video up, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself, have fun, and have a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you for watching up to now. Thank you very much.